Guys, in this video, I will show you two different ways how you can create a new home screen page on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now, the first method is to drag an icon, so touch and hold on an app icon and drag it to the right hand side. This will allow us to automatically create a new home screen page. And the other method is to touch and hold on the home screen. This will open up the home screen page editor. In here, you can swipe across all the way to the right, and then you can see there is an add button. Tap on the add button will allow you to create a brand new home screen page. And that's it. If there are too many blank pages, you can just tap on the delete button to remove a blank home screen page. And that is how you can create a new home screen page on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video.